What's going on, guys? I know I've been absent on here, been busy working. We're at the house right now. We are working on our headlights. Our old bucket was pretty tore up from trying to make LED headlights fit, and one of the trim rings busted, so the headlight was hanging out. So I ordered these, I don't know if you can see it, brand new headlight buckets. Got all installed, and then I wouldn't have any other way. You go to put your trim ring on, or face cover, and where are you supposed to screw it to? False advertising. These are the United Pacific. Here's a factory one. These are the tabs that are missing. So if you're going to buy these LED headlight buckets, if you have the aftermarket set of headlights that they sell, it'll work just fine. But for factory stuff, the replacements will not work. So we are cutting off them tabs. Bust out a rivet gun. Should be pretty simple. I already got these 2 holes drilled. Throw some rivets on there, it should be good to go. These headlights are cool because for a while we didn't have, I added some 3/4 inch button lights for like turn signals up front, and it kind of looked cheesy. So that's just our clearance lights, or clip lights, whatever you want to call them. And then for the turn signal, the outer one, it's pretty cool. Headlights are nice and bright. And these are some cheap ones off Amazon. I think the whole set was only, I don't know, 120 bucks. Even with the LED headlight bucket for it, you're still going to have to, I still had like shave down the backside of the headlight. Kind of stuck out. It wasn't sitting flush. But we got it, and like I said, most people will probably have said the hell with that bucket and just swapped out these inner ones, because I mean that's all that's different. It's a little wider in there to fit the LED lamp, but I already got that all in there and done. I'm like, no, we'll just go ahead and cut off them tabs and rivet them on, and hopefully put them in the right spot and not have to redo it. But that's it. I'm going to try to get some videos together for you guys, and hopefully 25 is a better year for us. See y'all later. Little update. We just ran our drill bit right into our finger. It's leaking pretty good right there. Yeah. Didn't hurt going in, it hurt pulling it out. Hate it when you do dumb stuff, but whatever. We unscrewed the headlight bucket. I can't rivet from the front side due to the race. Like the rivet gun was kind of bottoming out right there. So stay tuned. All done. Our riveting worked and went fairly smooth. We just used aluminum rivets just in case. I mean, I got stainless steel, but in the event something wasn't right, you had to move it. It's a lot easier to drill aluminum than it is stainless. It's looking pretty good. Next step, we're going to shave the roof, get rid of the horns up there, and fill any holes. And then we got to fix one of our oversized lights ain't working. More than likely it's just a wire, but got some watermelons tucked up underneath. I don't know, tomorrow I might add some lights on the trailer. We'll see. But, alright guys, see you on the next one.